Good morning, children. I welcome you all to the virtual classes presented by Jet Kids International School, Pusat. So, today we are going to see class 2 science period. So, my dear students, today what we are going to discuss in this lesson, that is lesson number 5. What is the name of our lesson number 5? That is bones and muscles. So, dear student, today we are going to discuss about the lesson number 5, bones and muscles. I taught you this lesson already, but specially I made you this video for your revision purpose. So, without wasting our time, let us start. So, what are the objectives in the learning checklist is? Means what we are going to revise in this lesson. Number 5, bones and muscles. So we are going to discuss about the bones and we have already discussed about the bones and muscles. Yes. Now in this lesson what we are going to do? We are going to discuss about the importance of exercise and healthy food. And again we are going to discuss about the posture. So one point I have already explained to you. Okay. So I hope you like that video and you understood all the points related to bones and muscles. So in this video, my dear students, we are going to discuss about the importance of exercise and healthy food. So let us start. So what is the importance of the weight? So what is the importance of exercise and healthy food? Let us see. Exercise makes our bones and muscles strong. Okay. It keeps us active and healthy. See the two girls. Look at the girls. One is swimming and second one is doing exercise. Okay. So exercise makes our bones and muscles strong and it keeps us active and healthy. Eating healthy food also keeps our bones and muscles strong. Okay. Means doing exercise is important also, and while doing exercise it is also important that what kind of food we are taking, what kind of food we should eat. Okay. And all means eating healthy food and doing exercises, it makes our bones and muscles healthy. Okay children. So let us start the next part. So see, this is your healthy food, a complete dish which is containing all the food items. So this is such type of food you should eat. Now about the posture. So see, posture means how you are standing, how your behavior while walking, standing. Okay. So see what is meant by posture. Posture is the position of our body while sitting, standing or walking. A good posture keeps us healthy and in good shape. If we are maintaining our posture, if we are sitting straight, if we are standing straight, if we are walking straight, then our personality will be like a military soldier. Yes, means it enhances our personality. It gives a good shape to our body. So how should be the posture to maintain? So see the picture. It is the sitting posture. Okay. So when you are going to sit, you have to maintain such a posture. Means you have to keep your body in this position, like the boy is sitting on the chair. So look at that boy. Sorry, this boy. We should not bend our shoulders. First thing, you have to concentrate on shoulder. Second one, our back should be straight. Okay. And the third thing is that we should keep our feet flat on the floor. Yes. So this is the correct posture. Okay. When you are sitting. So let us see the next part. That is the posture when we are standing. Okay. So my dear students, when you are standing, you have to maintain such a posture. Okay. Like we should keep our back straight. Look at this boy. While standing, we should place the weight of our body evenly on our feet. Now I am going to explain you what is meant by evenly. Means same. You should put the weight of your body not on the particular one leg, not on the left leg or not on the right leg. You have to put the weight on equally on the both of the feet. Okay. You are not going to understand when you now you can stand and you can do the practice. Yes. So when some things are like that, when we do that time only we can understand. So you have to try to first of all you can put a weight on the left leg. Second thing, you can put the weight on your right leg and then balance it and put the weight on both the feet or both the legs. Then you will come to know how to balance. And second thing is that you have to keep your back straight, okay, while standing. So this is the correct posture while standing, okay children. Now next part, while walking, how should be your posture? So see, look at the boy, how nicely he is walking. We need to hold our head high. See, means not like this, not like this. Now we need to hold our head high, okay. So you have to maintain the proper posture of your head. Means posture means position. We must walk straight, okay. That is straight means you should not bend, not front side. Don't bend on front side or from back side. You should be straight. Your back should be always straight in any position, in any posture, okay. We should swing our hands freely while walking, and we should move. Swing means you can move your hands freely while walking. So this is the correct position of our body posture while walking. And next, the third part. Yes, now there is I hope you understood whatever I taught you. See children, most of the part of lesson number 5 we have completed in the part 1 video. Now this is the part 2 video of lesson number 5, that is the bones and muscles, okay. So in this lesson we learn about the good body postures, okay. Now there is a let's say together column. So okay, so these are the few important words which you have to say after me. Bones. Say muscles. See how I am pronouncing that, like the same way you have to pronounce the words, okay children. Bones, muscles, skeleton, joint, exercise, healthy food, posture. Once again I will repeat for you, means you can practice it properly. Listen carefully, okay, and then practice it. Bones, muscles, skeleton, joint, exercise, healthy food, posture. So in this way you have to learn all the spellings children, okay. Why I am repeating this thing, because if you are not going to learn all the difficult spellings, if you are going to not read or pronounce the words, so then it will be very difficult for you whenever you will going to come to school, okay. So it is very important to read, write and learn all the things. Now keywords are there, and again this will be again one revision part for you. Bones means what? The hard parts of our body. Bones means the hard parts of our body which protect the soft inner parts like heart, brain, yes, lungs, kidneys, lots of organs are there in our body, yes. So the hard part is called as bone. Skeleton means a framework of bones. The bones are joined together in a frame, and that framework is called as skeleton. And I saw and I sent you the many pictures of skeleton in the previous video, that is in the part 1 video. Now joints. So I taught you the extra names of the joints also. Yes, not extra, the other names of the joints also, okay. So joints means the place where two bones meet. Joint means जो जोड़ने का काम करता है, yes. The place where two bones meet together, okay, that is called as joints. Now what is meant by muscles? So see, the soft parts of our body which are below our skin. This is the correct definition. We can say it like that. The soft parts of our body, okay, which are below our skin. Skin के नीचे का जो भी soft part होता है, so that we can say like that are the muscles, okay. Now postures that we have already learned in this video only. The position of our body while sitting, standing or walking. So how we walk, how we sit, how we stand. So that time how we maintain, how we keep our body properly in which position, that position is called as posture. Understood? So posture means the position of our body while sitting, standing and while walking. So I hope you understood all the keywords and you have to write it down also. Now summary we will take in short of lesson number 5, that is the bones and muscles. Okay children. Number 1, our body is made up of bones and muscles. This is the fact that our body is made up of bones and muscles, and each and every part of our body is important. Each and every organ is important. Even each and every cell means a very tiny part or a small part is also important. So bones and muscles give second point, see, bones give shape and support to our body. That only I am going to say. Bones give shape and support to our body. So this is the main function of the bone, that it gives shape and support to our body. And number 3, skeleton. Skeleton forms the framework of the body. So if the skeleton is not there, if the bones are not arranged in a particular frame, then we will not going to look now how we look. Yes, means we are not going to look good if the proper framework is not there. So skeleton plays an important role. Okay, so skeleton forms the framework of the body. Number 4, muscles are attached to the bones, okay, and give shape to the body. Muscles are present below the skin, first thing, and the second thing is that they give shape to the body. Yes, also they are covering the bones and they are giving a nice shape, okay, to our body. Number 5 that we learn in this video, regular exercise and eating healthy food make our bones and muscles strong. So like that we should take care of us and we should take care of every organ of our body. So for keeping the muscles and bones strong, we should do the regular exercise and we should eat the healthy food. Number 6, posture is the position of our body while sitting, standing or walking. That I already explained to you. Okay children, I hope you understood the summary. So see, these are try doing the exercises shown below. So now you are at home and you are not coming to school. So daily you can do these things at least 15 minutes, okay. So you have to do these exercises, okay, and while doing these exercises you have to feel that your bones and muscles are involved in it. You can feel that, you can imagine that. So if you are not going to do, then you will not feel that. So for feeling your bones and muscles, to getting the experience of the feeling of your bones and muscles, you have to do the exercises. And for your health also, these are the few exercises that you have to do regularly. Okay children, so I hope you understood about this video. Okay, so I hope you understood lesson number 5, that is the bones and muscles. In this lesson we learn about the importance of the exercises, doing exercises and having healthy food. Okay, so stay at home, stay safe, take care of you and study hard, the most important thing. Okay children, bye.